The monkey wakes up looking like a zombie from a low-budget horror movie. He doom scrolls TikTok before he even brushes his teeth. He forgets breakfast, spills hot coffee on his fur, rushes out the door, and realizes he left his keys inside. He literally slips on a banana peel before 8 a.m. Mornings are supposed to set the monkey up for jungle domination, but right now they are a total disaster zone. Here is the secret. Mornings are not just about stumbling out of bed. They are the monkey's compass for the entire day. If the compass points toward chaos, the monkey swings into a mess. If it points toward clarity, the monkey rules the jungle. But here's the kicker. Mornings don't work alone. The monkey's brain is like a smartphone battery. If you had a weak charge last night, you have a weak start this morning. The monkey thought mornings were just about physically getting out of bed. But the truth is, it is a high-stakes chemical experiment happening inside that furry skull. It is a jungle of brain chemicals deciding if the day starts with chaos or clarity. First, let's talk about cortisol. This is nature's built-in alarm clock. It's supposed to rise naturally at dawn to wake the monkey up sharp and ready to hunt. But if the monkey stays up too late or smashes the snooze button too many times, the curve gets scrambled. Science says that every time the monkey hits snooze, the body slips back into a state called sleep inertia. This is a foggy, heavy sleep state. So instead of waking up fresh, the monkey wakes up half-cooked, like reheating an old banana in a microwave. It comes out mushy, gross, and completely useless. Then there is dopamine, the motivation fuel. During sleep, the monkey's dopamine levels reset. The very first action of the day decides where that fuel flows. If the monkey grabs the phone and checks TikTok drama immediately, the dopamine gets hijacked. The brain learns that reward comes from cheap, passive scrolling. The monkey spends the rest of the day chasing crumbs. But if the first inputs are stretching, movement, and sunlight, the dopamine locks into a clarity loop, powering focus all day. Think of the monkey's brain like a smoothie maker. Garbage in, garbage morning. Calm in, sharp morning. To fix this, we need a protocol. This brings us to step 1 of the 8-step routine. Slay the snooze terrorist. When the alarm screams, the monkey's brain whispers a seductive lie. Just 5 more minutes. Do not listen. That is a monkey terrorist holding your productivity hostage. Negotiating with terrorists never ends well. Science confirms that every snooze fragment scrambles the REM sleep cycle, making the monkey groggier than if he had just woken up the first time. The solution is simple. The monkey does not negotiate. Move the alarm clock across the room. Make it loud. Make it annoying. To shut it up, the monkey has to physically leap out of bed and walk across the floor. Boom! The day has already begun, and the snooze terrorist has been defeated. Now that the monkey is standing, we move to step 2. Move like a monkey. The monkey used to think a morning workout meant 2 hours at the gym lifting heavy rocks. So, of course, the lazy monkey never did it. But here is the trick. Just 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Stretching, push-ups, or a goofy, chaotic monkey dance. We are not trying to get ripped. We are trying to flip a biological switch. We need to switch the brain from sleepy tree branch mode to swinging vine mode. Even a few minutes of high-intensity movement pumps oxygen to the brain and upgrades the monkey from a zombie to a superhero. Step 3. The cold shower wake-up. You are sweaty from that monkey dance? Perfect. Jump into a cold shower. It doesn't need to be torture. Just 30 to 60 seconds is enough to shock the system. It boosts immunity and mood. The monkey steps out shivering, but feeling sharper than a diamond cutter. Step 4 involves a hostage situation. Hydrate first, coffee later. The monkey used to live by one rule: coffee IV drip immediately upon waking. This is a mistake. Over time, the monkey's brain got lazy because caffeine replaced the natural cortisol spike. The monkey became a coffee hostage. The new rule is simple. Start the day with a tall glass of water. After 8 hours of sleep, the monkey's body is drier than a camel in a desert. Rehydrate the jungle first. As for the coffee, the monkey still craves it, but he waits. He waits 90 minutes to let the body's natural energy systems wake up first. And when it comes to food, eat real jungle food, protein and fruit, not sugary banana cake that causes a crash mid-climb. Step 5, feed the brain bananas, not junk. The monkey used to eat TikTok drama for breakfast. The result? His focus was hijacked before 9 a.m. Now the monkey sets a filter. No doom scrolling for the first hour. Instead, feed the brain clarity food. Read 5 pages of a book or listen to an inspiring podcast. First input sets the vibe. If you feed the monkey stories of explorers, he feels ready to conquer. If you feed him chaos, he feels ready to panic. Step 6. The Banana Mind Primer. The monkey's brain in the morning is like a jungle covered in thick fog. If the monkey runs straight in without looking, he gets lost or trips into a tiger's backyard. So, the monkey takes just 3 minutes to draw a banana map. He writes down his top 3 tasks for the day. That is it. He is calm, he is sharp. He knows exactly where he is going. Then he picks the biggest, ugliest banana, the hardest task, and pushes it first. Just start for 5 minutes. Often, 5 becomes 50. Push the big banana early, and the rest of the day swings smoother. Step 7. Nature and gratitude reset. The monkey steps outside. Sunlight hits the retina. Green leaves reset his attention span. Fresh air calms the mind. It is like plugging the monkey's brain into the jungle Wi-Fi. Here, the monkey practices gratitude. He thanks the jungle for the bananas, the sunshine, and for not being eaten by tigers yesterday. Gratitude isn't woo-woo magic. Science says it rewires the monkey's brain to spot opportunities instead of threats. Step 8. Reset base camp. A messy bed equals a messy brain. Leaving the cave in chaos is like starting the day by tripping on a banana peel. So the monkey makes the bed. He resets the jungle base camp. Now, even if the jungle outside is total chaos, the monkey's headquarters is calm and orderly. One small win snowballs into bigger wins. The monkey feels in control before he even steps out the door. This brings us to the final evolution, Monkey 2.0. The monkey realized that the goal isn't just to escape the morning chaos, it is about becoming the kind of monkey who sets the day's direction. 95% of monkeys start their mornings with noise, reaction, and distraction. But this monkey starts with clarity, energy, and intention. The night routine charges the battery. The morning routine launches the system. Together, they upgrade you to version 2.0. You are no longer just surviving the jungle. You are mastering it. So what is the one habit that makes your mornings better? Drop it in the comments below. And if you missed the monkey's night routine video, watch that next, because mornings only shine when the night prepares to charge. The monkey says thanks for watching. Like this video and toss him a subscribe. It keeps the bananas coming.